We know you want to get paid what you're worth and have the freedom that comes from having your own accounting business.
In order to do that, you need paying clients that appreciate your services.
Like most accountants, bookkeepers, tax preparers, you're probably wanting to start or build your business to become the premier accounting, bookkeeping, tax service in your area.
Because it can be challenging to find, engage, and onboard new clients, we are here to help.
We believe you can be in business for yourself, but not by yourself.
You're probably wanting to start or build your business to become the premier accounting, bookkeeping, or tax service in the area.
For example, we understand it can be challenging to market and sell to find new clients, to competitively price and package your service, to onboard clients efficiently and profitably, but we can help.
Here's the 3 steps to confidently and competently start and build your business.
Step 1, set up a time to speak with us at Universal Accounting Center.
Step 2, share with us your background, experience, and goals.
Step 3, follow a turnkey business plan for accounting professionals that we developed and proven since 1979.
So schedule a convenient time to speak with us today.
It's time to stop thinking about it and instead
Start now to have the premier accounting firm in your area.
Know this, accounting success is universal.